Hey there YouTube, my name is Brad. Welcome back to the shop. Let's take a look at what we have going on today. We have some terrible noises going on inside of this Milwaukee 8. This is a 2018. It used to be a 107, but within the first 60 days of purchase, I believe, the customer did the 114. I want to say it's a Screaming Eagle Stage 4 kit, but it is all under factory warranty. The customer brought it in, essentially said that it was losing power and making a knocking noise. So let me show you around and see what we have. It is indeed making engine noises that are abnormal. So I figured I'd turn on the camera. And noises like this, usually I quickly get into the engine and do a full assessment as far as what's going on and all the damages, but I figured might as well take a couple more minutes with it and see if we can get it ironed down to exactly the location of the damage, just for the heck of it. So here we go. Let's start the vehicle up. All of the information I have up to this point is on the work order. It says that the engine's knocking and loss of power. I would recommend that when you're dealing with your dealership, I really like to get a letter right from the customer, and that letter gets carried along with the work order. That way I get exactly what happened. Like, I like to know when it happened, how fast you were going, how long it's been making a noise, you know, if it was uphill, if it was raining, every bit of information that has to go along, anything, any type of information, because whether it's important to you or not, I may find some importance in that. And ultimately, when I call Harley-Davidson corporate and we're gonna need parts and stuff, the more information I have gives more validity to the situation, and it makes it easier all the way around. So hopefully some of that noise is coming through. I'm going to make an early prediction that it's a rear exhaust lifter or a broken valve spring. Just because. I feel like I hear it back here, but also a little bit down here. So that's just it's a very early prediction. Ultimately we'll see, but that's what I'm guessing, is a rear lifter or valve spring. So let's keep on going. check some things, and see where it leads us. At this point, there's no real need to take it for a test ride or anything. We know that there's something wrong. So let's do all the easy stuff, the compression check, and check out the cylinders with a borescope. Pop off the air cleaner. Pop off the collars for the push rods, and just kind of look and feel and see how everything's going. Here's how the spark plugs are looking, in case you're wondering. See if it'll focus in on there. Nothing unusual, like there isn't any type of mechanical damage. But this one was in the front, this one was in the back. She's looking pretty normal. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to walk over and take off the air cleaner kit, prop open the blade, unplug the throttle body so that we can do a compression check with the throttle blade wide open. So let's get to doing that. Alright, so this is the oil filter from the vehicle. Right from the get-go, we can tell that it's a non-genuine filter. I'm not saying that that has anything to do with the problems with the vehicle. Just sometimes I don't understand why people would just buy a non-genuine filter. You know, you pay $40,000 for a motorcycle and an engine kit and everything. You think the $12 for the oil filter wouldn't be that big of a deal, but whatever. So just because we already have an oil filter cutoff tool, this is mine. I bought it off eBay My girlfriend got it for me for my birthday. I've only used it once before and it worked pretty well. I'll put a link down in the description, but sorry, I think I got it off Amazon. Whatever, I'll put the link in the description. But just since we're here, I just pulled a genuine oil filter, just like right out of the oil bin. I have no idea what this vehicle is off, so I want to cut them both open and kind of just see what the difference is. Really, we're here to see what is in this filter, if there's anything, just for the fun of it. And since we're having fun, we might as well cut this one open too and put it on its own little cloth and see what the differences are. So let's get to going and get to cutting. I don't know if this is coming through, but there is a whole bunch of metal in there. Let me see if I can grab a flashlight. Like, I saw the oil right from the get-go, or the metal in the oil right from the get-go, just down in here. So I'm 100% sure it's not from the test, or from the opener. Well, look at that. That thing, whatever happened inside that engine, that thing is 100% effed. Oh boy. There's also a little spring down there for the oil filter. Look at that. Oh. Oh, I gotta get some more paper towel and pour this thing out. This is part 1 of this series, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.